Hi everybody, my name is Danielle Anderson. I teach second grade here at Altaloma Christian School. Not only am I a staff member here for the last 4 years, but I'm also a parent. I have 2 children that also attend the school. One of the things that I absolutely love about teaching second grade, there's a lot, but one thing that I love most is teaching Bible. Our main focus is on character traits and building positive character traits. We focus our studies on Bible heroes from the Old Testament all the way through the New Testament, focusing on the character traits that make them unique and God-loving and faithful. It is a pleasure to watch these children grow from August all the way to May. Second grade is definitely a transitional year. They mature and develop immensely in that short amount of time, and it is an absolute pleasure to be their teacher. My prayer for my kids when they leave me is that they leave second grade feeling and knowing that they were loved and supported, that they were met exactly where they are. It just is such a pleasure and an honor to work at such a wonderful place. Everyone that is here truly is family. That's not just a thing that we say, but it is something that we do. Some other things that really get me excited about second grade, we will dissect owl pellets. That's always a student favorite. And they're sanitized, and we break them apart, we study the bones, we categorize them. It's so much fun. My favorite holiday to celebrate here is definitely, without a doubt, Cultural Heritage Day. In second grade, we would normally have a humongous feast and all share different foods from all different cultures. Obviously with COVID, things were a little different this year, and we're hoping that next year we get back to being able to celebrate it like we normally would. Obviously, this has been a different kind of school year with the pandemic, having to teach kids online and in person. But one thing that I have noticed with all of these children is their ability to adapt to change. Whether we're dealing with a tech issue or dealing with our ever-changing health protocols that we have to follow on campus, they come in, their desks are in different spots. They just really are resilient. They very much go with the flow. So it has been just a pleasure to be their teacher this year, both my online and my in-person kids. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please feel free to take a look around on my teacher website to look at some of the things our students have done this year, including the owl pellet dissection, and take a look also at my virtual classroom, and there are a lot of fun links on that as well. I really hope to get to meet you next year and welcome you as part of our family.